Cosmo Kramer?
Yeah, that's right.
I don't want nothing to do with it.
Geo Metro, tag number BYK 4692. On 7/14/2012 at 1:30 p.m., Austin Waters, a white 3-year-old male wearing a blue T-shirt and blue jeans, was last seen at 1605 Highway 138, Monroe, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Austin was abducted by Bobby Waters, a 44-year-old white male, and is believed to be traveling Highway 138 towards Gainesville. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Austin Waters or the gray 1993 Toyota Camry, tag number BQW 9549, or a 1990 Geo Metro, tag number BYK 4692, please contact Walton County Sheriff's Office at 770-267-6556.